Did you know that by simply consuming one serving of each of these foods, you'd be getting more fiber than the average daily intake? Number 3. All berries contain fiber, but one berry surpasses them all. But which one? Strawberries, blueberries, raspberry, blackberries, cranberry, goji berries, elderberry, boysenberry, huckleberry, or perhaps mulberries? And the fiber king is blackberries. Not only do they have tons of antioxidants, one single serving of blackberries contains almost 8 grams of fiber. Number 2. We all know legumes contain fiber, but... Really?
You know, beans?
Yes. Very mature of you. Anyway, do you know what legume contains the most fiber?
Must be gigante beans, right? Those things are enormous. Sorry about that. I couldn't help.
Okay, where were we? Right, the most fiber-rich legume is lentils. Half a cup of cooked lentils contain almost 8 grams of fiber. Now for our number 1. The top source of fiber is something every overnight oat fan knows all too well. Chia seeds. 1 ounce of chia seeds contains about 10 grams of fiber. 1 serving of each makes 26 grams of fiber. That's up to 10 grams more than the average intake. If you don't eat enough fiber, should you then start eating a lot more fiber? No. But fiber is not only good for digestive health, it also is linked to a reduced risk of dying from heart disease and cancer. So what's the problem then? You should increase your fiber slowly, and give your body a chance to adjust. When you do, also drink a bit more water. Roughly 1 cup for every additional 10 grams of fiber in your diet, to help your body handle the extra fiber effectively. Want to know more about transitioning to a more plant-based diet? Check out this comprehensive guide.